As a new YouTuber, you are probably striving towards increasing your subscriber count, getting those watch hours in, and working towards getting your channel monetized, right? I mean, I know I am. At the time of recording this video, I have 422 subscribers and 569 public watch hours. So I've got a ways to go yet before I'm officially monetized as a YouTube partner and can make money from AdSense. However, I wanted to peel the curtain back today and show you how I've made $5,494, so almost $6,000, purely just from actual videos and people clicking on links to purchase in the description box below. So let me show you how I did it. The biggest income stream from my YouTube channel has been from affiliate marketing. Okay, so when I'm talking about affiliate marketing, I'm talking about 4 specific videos that have generated this income. Let me find them. So here's one, Jim Kwik's Limitless Mind System Review, Tony Robbins' Business Accelerator Review, Future Coach by Eben Pagan, and this video down here, Launchpad 2023 from Tony Robbins and Graziosi. So these 4 videos are all together in one bucket of affiliate marketing. It's about $4,500 just from those videos. Now, to put it in perspective, that is a very small fraction, probably about 3 to 5% of actual affiliate marketing sales. This is just strictly like somebody saw the video, clicked on the link in the video, and then purchased directly from the video. Most of my affiliate marketing sales have come from Facebook, social media marketing, and doing a whole bunch of other strategies for sales, which I'm not going to get into in this video. This is just for the purpose of showing you, like, just by having a video on YouTube and somebody clicking on the link in the description box, I made about $4,500 in affiliate marketing sales just from the video. Okay, the next income stream that I made money from, just from YouTube, again, small fraction of my actual income. I do like 99% of my social media marketing on Facebook. Well, at least up until this point, what I've been doing for the past couple of years. As I grow my YouTube channel, I'm sure more and more revenue will actually come from my YouTube channel, but this is just as of right now, okay? So is from my own online course called Content to Clients. Here's a peek inside. So this is my online course. I know I have made one sale for $497 from somebody finding me on YouTube and then clicking on my link and purchasing the course. I've also had one-on-one client come directly from YouTube for an hour session with me, which is $497. This brings our grand total to $5,494. That is how much I have generated from YouTube alone without being monetized as a YouTube partner. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, I almost forgot. I actually also made 64 cents from Amazon Associates, which is a new account that I just set up recently and have incorporated some affiliate links from Amazon on my channel. I have made 2 sales so far for 32 cents each from selling books that I recommend on my channel. So yeah, Amazon Associates is another great way to monetize your channel, but just know you really need to sell high ticket things to make any sort of meaningful income, because when you sell a book, like I have, for example, I made 32 cents per book. So yeah, but it is a way to monetize your channel. 32 cents is 32 cents. I hope this video was helpful in showing you that there are many other ways that you can monetize your channel before you officially become a YouTube partner. And if you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would smash that like button. Maybe you want to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, maybe you want to watch another one on my channel.